Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. It's Wednesday, which means it's time for a look at the crypto space. Cardano has come out on top as the most popular crypto brand according to data from Brand Intimacy, which recently published its annual report on the world's leading brand identities. Cardano registered a brand quotient score of 52.6 and came 26th overall in a list of 600 of the world's best-known products and services. To compile the report, Brand Intimacy analyzed more than 1.4 billion words using artificially intelligent software to determine an individual brand's popularity. Cardano beat Bitcoin into second place as far as digital asset brands were concerned, with Ethereum polling at number 4 in the list of 30 digital assets covered by the report. Brazil's central bank has chosen local lender Itaú Unibanco to work on a DeFi, or decentralized finance, liquidity pool that will allow the custody and exchange of tokens such as stablecoins tied to the value of the real and the US dollar. This is one of a number of projects commissioned by the country's central bank, which is seeking to open up and democratize access to the financial markets within Brazil. Itaú, which employs almost 100,000 people, recently announced plans to tokenize some of the existing financial services it offers to customers. The FBI has once again warned the DeFi community to be on alert for hackers and other bad actors who may seek to exploit weakness in the security of protocols and tools. The FBI said that cyber criminals are increasingly exploiting vulnerabilities in decentralized finance platforms to steal investors' cryptocurrency, and added that there was increased interest in cryptocurrencies and the complexity of cross-chain functionality and the open-source nature of DeFi platforms. The Bureau also urged individual investors who may have been victims of the hackers to come forward and for DeFi users to do their due diligence before using decentralized exchanges, bridge protocols, and other popular DeFi tools. Texas may no longer be a haven for energy-intensive Bitcoin miners, as the state electric grid operator ERCOT has drastically reduced the number of new permits issued to miners allowing access to the grid. ERCOT is said to be trying to balance the supply and demand of electricity within Texas against an uncertain macroeconomic background. However, there are still thought to be a number of large crypto mining firms that are keen to hook up to the Texas power grid, some of whom have invested money and equipment to allow a direct connection, whilst others that have connected have found that they are receiving less power than they anticipated. According to CoinDesk, Chinese mining pool Poolin has energized just 100 megawatts of a 600 megawatt mining operation in West Texas, which it runs in partnership with Bitmain. The other 500 megawatts of mining capacity is now on hold. ERCOT estimates that some 33 gigawatts of Bitcoin mining projects are planned and waiting for permits, though the Texas Blockchain Council, a trade body, disputes that figure. Its estimates are far lower at just 5 gigawatts of capacity. One thing is for certain, however, and that is that the power grid and crypto miners will need to work closely together to efficiently manage power demand with America's largest state.